Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I am doing a side-by-side comparison between the original Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, these two watches, as you know, I'm a big fan of the Galaxy Watch, and I didn't go to the Active because I love the bezel. Rotating bezel is awesome. Always want to keep it, always want to have it. But this new one has a digital bezel, which is really nice to have. So I love the feedback you get from it. It really feels good, and obviously it looks, I would say, a little bit more stylish. I think it's up to the user, but I do like the way this looks slightly better because it doesn't have that, it has that edge kind of display. Obviously, if you have a watch face like this too, you get that more infinity style display. If you get a colorful one, it will reveal the bezel basically. So if you get a colorful one like this, you can actually see how big the bezel is. But the thing I do like about it is, even though the millimeter size is smaller than this one, it actually has a slightly bigger screen by 0.1 inch. So that is important, and I think a lot of people will go over to this one now. But the one thing you have to realize is that this one does still have a smaller battery. So let me know, which one would you buy if you were in the market for a smartwatch? Would you buy the new Galaxy Watch Active 2 or the original Galaxy Watch? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.